Good morning, students. This is Kiran sir's voice, and we are dealing lesson number second, the silver lining. Actually, everyone knows the meaning of the silver lining, and this is the one meaning of a hope of rays, आशा की किरण, जिसे हम बोल सकते हैं. Now, when we discussing about the another meaning of the silver lining, a good aspect of a mostly bad event. This is also a one meaning. And actually, in last period we discussed about the first and second paragraph. In first and second paragraph, we discuss about the types of person. There are a happy person and sad person. So, in the second paragraph, we discuss about the narrator. Narrator went to the hill station, and this hill station recommended his friends. And when he discuss about the comfortable things and generally lack there, and this is the very isolated place. Why? Because this is the away from the common din, and this is near to the post office, near to the market, and near to the bus stand. This is the place, so that's why he love very much. Till second paragraph we completed the last period. Till we have to discuss the last line of the second paragraph. There were pleasant view to be had from there. The narrator describe about that. तो वहाँ से देखने के बाद वहाँ पर बहुत खूबसूरती का नज़ारा दिखता था. It had excellent cuisine and I was still looked after by one of the most charming hostess one could find anywhere. So regarding that, the narrator giving the information regarding that, if you find anywhere, you could not got the hostess like that, because this is the charming hostess. उनका जो वेलकम करने का तरीका था रिसोर्ट हिल में, वो तरीका सबसे अजब था, और ऐसा वेलकम का तरीका आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगा. टिल हियर वी डिस्कसेस लास्ट पीरियड. नाउ वी डिस्कसिंग द नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. I discovered that the place exactly corresponded to the details described, but it was the hostess particularly and her husband and their little daughter who really proved to be the central of attraction to me. So narrator describe about that place. When I reached there, the hill resort, they are having a one family and welcoming to me, and this family is become attraction to me because this is the family and having a one daughter, and this is the attraction to me. The lady belonged to the south, though she had married a North Indian. So when the narrator looking to that lady, this seemed to a South Indian till he married to the North Indian people. She was rather dark. She was rather dark but had a very pleasant face. वो दिखने में थोड़ी सी काली दिख रही थी, but having a charming on his face. All smiles and kindness. All smiles and kindness. दयालुपना और हंसमुख चेहरा, इस तरह का डिस्क्राइब नरेटर ने किया है. द हस्बैंड वॉज अ ह्यूज स्वार्थ मैन विथ लार्ज एंड बोनी निम्स. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट, सो दिस इज द डिस्क्रिप्शंस अबाउट द हस्बैंड. दिस इज आल्सो हैविंग अ ब्लैक कलर बट विथ लार्ज, वो बड़ा सा दिख रहा था विथ अ बोनी निम्स. बोनी निम्स. रिगार्डिंग दैट, ही इज लुकिंग अ वन टाइप ऑफ साउथ इंडियन मेंबर. Okay, and in this paragraph the narrator describing that family member. He was extremely well mannered and there was not a trace of that untempered roughness which one finds in most men hailing from the north. So narrator describe about the North Indian people habits. North Indian people not having this type of manners. When they talking to the another person, he doing some roughness, but this is the well mannered person from the North Indian. Okay. Mr. Bhandari, the landlady, took me in hand the moments of arrived. This is the surname of that family, Mr. Bhandari and Mrs. Bhandari. Mrs. Bhandari, the landlady, took me in hand the moments of arrived. She looked after my luggage, gave instructions regarding my room. So actually, when narrator came to that resort, from that time, Mrs. Bhandari giving the so many instructions, look after the luggages, and when I came that resort, Mrs. Bhandari give the so much information regarding the resorts also. Had a cup of delicious coffee produced in no time, and then put me at my ease by talking to me informally about myself and my visit. The narrator described about that when I reached there, the Mrs. Bhandari discussing the so many things, and he asked for the coffee, and I am maintaining a easiness. I am maintaining the comfortable with the talking to the Mrs. Bhandari, and he asking informal way about myself and my visit. Narrator said that मेरे बारे में और मेरे विजिट के बारे में वो इनफॉर्मली वे तरफ से वो मुझे बहुत अच्छी तरह से पूछ रही थी. I was completely won over by the family. I was completely won over by the family. It appeared as if I had known them for years. So narrator Chaman Nehal said that मिसेस भंडारी मुझसे ऐसे बात कर रही थी जैसे मानो कि बरसों से पहचान हो. And like that they talking to each other. While thus chatting with the two of them, I became aware of slight built girl hiding behind the setting. So Nehal said that when I talking to that person, मुझे मेरी नज़र एक लड़की पर गिरी थी कि जो सैटे मीन्स दिस इज़ द वन टाइप वुडन टेबल, वो टेबल के नीचे खड़ी थी, पीछे खड़ी थी. सी मस्ट हैव बीन अबाउट 8, जनरली वो 8 साल की होगी. एंड वॉज स्वीट एंड चार्मिंग लाइक हर मदर, अपनी मम्मी की तरह चेहरे से एकदम चार्मिंग दिख रही थी और स्वीट दिख रही थी. हर हेयर वॉज क्लोजली क्रॉप्ड with a straight fring across the forehead in Chinese fashion. Look here, this is the girl standing with the statue, and this is the look like a one Chinese girl because आगे के बाल जो है क्रॉप किए गए थे, and this girl look like as a Chinese girl. She was in a jeans and in her half sleeve loose jersey and high boots, looked a miniature jungle queen. So this is the lady, this is the daughter of that lady describing narrator here. He wearing a jeans and jersey and standing with the satay and look like as a jungle queen. एक जंगली रानी हो उस तरह से वो लड़की दिख रही थी. But she was behaving a bit too timidly for one and was trying to avoid me. And narrator giving the experience of that कि वो लड़की मुझसे ना बात कर रही थी and he trying to avoid me, और वो नरेटर को अवॉइड करने का प्रयास कर रही थी. ओके, टिल हियर वी स्टॉप. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, thank you. Have a nice day.